If your Instagram is showing political content and if you don't want to see them, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to show you how and which settings can see you the less political content on Instagram. So to do that, first open your Instagram apps on your phone. Now tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, just tap on this three line from the top right corner and scroll a little bit. You can see there is an option. What you see in this tab, you can see there is an option content preferences. Just tap on this. Now you can see there is an option political content. Now tap here for more option, and from here in this section just you have to select this one, see less. Okay, and that's it. Now go back and enjoy. So this is how you can easily stop that or less that. So if you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.